Warning: the first part of your body that weakens as you age is your legs. Not your memory, not your eyesight, but your foundation. And most people ignore it until it's too late. Jim Rohn once said, "Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live." And he was right. By the time you hit 50, 60, or 70, muscle loss starts to accelerate, and your legs? They carry the greatest burden. But here's the good news: you're not powerless. You can eat your way back to strength, mobility, and independence if you know what to feed your body. Today, we're breaking down 7 powerhouse foods that can help you build stronger legs, better balance, and more energy, no matter your age. These are real, natural medicine from the earth. Not hype, not pills, just wisdom. Let's get into it. Point number 1. You must work harder on your body than you do on your excuses. Jim Rohn once said, "Take care of your body. If you don't, where will you live?" Let that sink in. Your body is not a rental. It's your one and only home. And just like any home, if you neglect it, it starts to fall apart. Now here's the truth most people avoid. You can't build a strong life on a weak foundation. And your foundation? It starts with your legs. We don't usually think about it, but as we age, we lose muscle mass, quietly, steadily, and unless we do something about it, inevitably. After age 50, it's about 1% per year. That might sound small, but stack that over a decade, and suddenly, you've lost a chunk of your power. And where does that muscle loss hit hardest? Your legs. And weak legs? They don't just slow you down. They limit your freedom, your confidence, your independence. You fall more, move less, and age faster. But here's the good news: you're not helpless. Your body listens to what you give it. And if you feed it right, it will fight back. Let's start with something simple, something powerful. Power food number 1, salmon. This is more than a piece of fish. It's a weapon against aging. Packed with high-quality protein to rebuild muscle. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and soothe aching joints. It's food that heals, strengthens, and energizes. Real-world example. In one clinical study, older adults who added salmon to their diet twice a week saw major improvements in walking speed, balance, and leg strength in just 12 weeks. That's not magic. That's momentum. That's choosing power over excuses. Action step: bake it with garlic, olive oil, and lemon once a week. That's not just a recipe. That's an investment in your future. Point number 2. Success is predictable, so is strength. Jim Rohn told us, "Don't wish it were easier. Wish you were better." That line applies to every part of life, including your body. Strength doesn't show up by accident. It doesn't sneak in through luck. It arrives through decision, through discipline, through deliberate action. The truth is, what you put on your plate is just as important as what you lift at the gym. And here's a secret the strong know: the real change happens in the small choices repeated daily. Power food number 2, spinach. Yes, it's green. Yes, it's leafy. But this stuff is pure muscle fuel. It's rich in magnesium, essential for muscle function and recovery. It's packed with potassium to help prevent cramps and support hydration. And it's loaded with nitrates, which increase blood flow. Translation: your muscles get more oxygen, your legs get more power, your endurance goes up, and fatigue goes down. No excuse hack. Toss a handful of spinach in a smoothie with banana and almond milk. You won't even taste it, but your body will notice the difference. Your legs will feel it. Your energy will thank you. This is how you build strength, not someday, but today. Point number 3. Start where you are. Use what you have. Jim reminded us, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Too many people wait. Wait for the perfect plan, the perfect trainer, the perfect diet. Meanwhile, time keeps ticking. Energy keeps dropping. Muscles keep shrinking. But the champions, the strong, they start where they are with what they've got. Power food number 3, eggs. Humble, simple, powerful. Eggs are a complete protein source. That means they've got all 9 essential amino acids, everything your muscles need to grow and recover. They're also high in choline, a nutrient most people don't get enough of, essential for brain function, balance, and coordination. Quick fix: scramble 2 eggs. Toss in some spinach. Add a bit of salsa if you like spice. That's not just breakfast, that's a step toward strength. You don't need fancy. You need focus and the willingness to begin. Point number 4, energy follows good fuel. Jim Rohn said, "You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight." What does that mean? It means small, focused changes can set you on a completely new path. And when it comes to energy, that change begins with the fuel you give your body. Want more energy? Want your legs to feel more powerful with every step? It's time to stop relying on quick fixes and give your body what it craves: good, solid fuel. The secret? Complex carbohydrates. When you feed your muscles with the right kind of fuel, your energy becomes sustainable and powerful. And if you're aiming for strength, you need energy that's consistent, steady, and reliable. And that starts with foods that support your body throughout the day, not just in quick bursts. Power food number 4, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are the perfect example of smart energy. Packed with fiber, potassium, and complex carbs, they provide a long-lasting source of energy that won't cause your blood sugar to spike and crash. This isn't just about having energy. It's about having the right kind of energy. The kind that supports your muscles, prevents cramps, and keeps you moving with strength. Real benefit: sweet potatoes help keep your energy stable throughout the day, making sure your legs stay strong and you don't feel sluggish. Pro tip: roast them with cinnamon or paprika for an incredible side dish that tastes amazing, boosts your energy, and supports your recovery after exercise. That's not just a meal, that's fuel for your life. Point number 5, discipline equals freedom. Jim Rohn taught us that discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. And here's the truth: discipline isn't restrictive, it's liberating. Why? Because discipline in the small things like your nutrition gives you the freedom to move without pain, the freedom to live without restrictions, and the freedom to feel good in your own body. Imagine being able to walk confidently, stand tall, move freely. It all starts with the small, disciplined choices you make every day. And when it comes to muscle recovery and joint health, the right food choices today will protect you tomorrow. Power food number 5, almonds and walnuts. Almonds and walnuts are small but mighty. These aren't just snacks, they're fuel for your muscles and nourishment for your joints. They're packed with magnesium, healthy fats, and protein, all the essential ingredients to promote muscle recovery and joint lubrication. Real benefit: a small handful a day can reduce inflammation, support your muscle recovery after exercise, and keep your joints healthy and lubricated, allowing you to move with ease. Bonus: they're also brain food. By supporting your joints and muscles, they're giving your body and mind the fuel they need to stay sharp, focused, and energized. Point number 6, strong bones support strong lives. We often focus on muscle strength, but what about the foundation, your bones? Jim Rohn said, "Strong bones support strong lives." And the reality is, without healthy bones, your muscles can't perform at their peak. As we age, our bone density decreases. If you're over 50, this becomes especially important. But here's the good news. You can support your bones by feeding them the nutrients they crave, calcium, protein, and more. The stronger your bones, the stronger your muscles can become. Together, they create a body that's resilient, capable, and ready for anything life throws at it. Power food number 6, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is the superfood of bone health. High in protein and calcium, it's the perfect combination for strengthening both bones and muscles. It also contains probiotics, which are critical for gut health and digestion, helping your body absorb nutrients more effectively. Real benefit: protein supports muscle growth, calcium strengthens your bones, and probiotics improve digestion, making sure your body gets the full benefit of these powerful nutrients. Pro tip: add some blueberries and chia seeds for an anti-inflammatory, nutrient-dense breakfast that not only supports your muscles and bones, but also helps keep your body moving fluidly and comfortably. Point number 7, live smart. Eat smart. Jim Rohn was all about action. He didn't just want you to know what's good for you. He wanted you to live it. Don't just read the menu. Eat the meal. Apply the principles you know. Don't just admire the food, you need to use it. It's not about perfection, it's about progress, and that starts with making small, deliberate changes. One of the simplest changes you can make today is to start incorporating beans into your meals. Power food number 7, beans, lentils, black beans, chickpeas. Beans are one of the most underrated superfoods out there. They're packed with protein, fiber, and iron. All the nutrients your body needs for better energy, muscle recovery, and muscle function. They're also incredibly affordable and versatile, meaning you can incorporate them into almost any meal. The benefits: the iron in beans helps carry oxygen to your muscles, vital for better balance, more strength, and better mobility. The fiber helps keep your digestion on track and stabilizes your blood sugar levels, so you have consistent energy throughout the day. Pro tip: add beans to soups, rice dishes, or even make a hearty bean salad with olive oil and herbs. You'll be eating for strength and feeling the benefits in every step you take. Let me leave you with this. Your legs are not just limbs, they're freedom. They carry you to your goals, to your family, to your future. And no matter your age, 50, 60, 70, or 80, you can fuel your legs with strength, one bite at a time. You don't have to overhaul your life overnight. Just start. Add one food today. Add another tomorrow. Build the discipline, and watch your strength return. If this inspired you, do 3 things right now. Like this video to help others find it. Comment below with your favorite of the 7 foods or one you'll try. Subscribe for more Jim Rohn style wisdom to fuel your health, mindset, and future. You're not getting older, you're getting wiser. Let your habits show it.